Today I'm going to show you how to do completing the square. So let's write the title, completing the square. Okay, so let's start with the one simple example. So there are two levels, one like a grade 7 and one type of question are grade 9. So let's start with the grade 7 question. Let's say write, the question we say write in the exam, write x squared plus 8x plus 7 in the form of x plus a squared plus b. So what you have to do, you have to let's use a red pen. So you have to open bracket and then write x plus a, but a is half of 8, so divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 squared, and then minus this number 4 squared, and then add 7. Okay, so then this will be x plus 4 squared minus 16 plus 7, and then it's x plus 4 squared minus 16 plus 7 is minus 9. Yeah? All right, good. The reason why we have to do this minus 4 squared, because if you expand x plus 4 squared, this one, you will do x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4, which is x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16, which is x squared plus 8x plus 16. So as you can see, the x squared is this one, 8x is here, but there's no 16 in the original equation. So we have to remove it, we have to subtract it, yeah? And it's this one, look, minus 16, okay? And to do minus 16, we just have to do this number 4, whatever is this number, square, okay? So let's do another example. Write x squared, this time minus 6x plus 5, yeah? In the form of x plus a squared plus b. Okay, so again, you start by opening the bracket. So you do x, yeah? And then half of 6 is minus 3 squared. And as we said, you need to always minus this number squared, so minus 3 squared, and then just add 5. So that's simple like this, yeah? Then, yeah, your answer will be x minus 3 squared minus 9, yeah? Plus 5 is minus 4. Okay? So another question that will be always with this question is you may be asked to find the turning point, you know? Find the turning point. Of this quadratic equation, yeah? So the turning point is, the coordinates of the turning point are, just copy this number, minus 4 here. Like the first one, the turning point is minus 9, yeah? But change the sign of the number that is inside the bracket. So x minus 3, so that would be plus 3. So 3 minus 4. And the first one, plus 4 becomes minus 4. So that's the turning point. Okay, so that's the most common questions that are with the completing the square. right? And then if you have to solve it, you just have to, if you have a question, number 3, for instance, it says solve x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So all you have to do, use the completing the square form, x minus 3 squared minus 4 equal to 0, yeah? Then move the 4 to the other side, it will be x minus 3 squared is equal to 4, and then x minus 3 equal plus minus 4, x minus 3 equal to plus minus 2, yeah? Then you just have to move the minus 3 to the other side, and you will have x equal plus minus 2 plus 3, yeah? So you have two solutions, x1 equal plus 2 plus 3 is 5, and x2 equal minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1, yeah? So as you can see here from the beginning, you will have to do, you have to find the turning point, yeah, or you will be asked to solve the equation, yeah. Okay, so that's it. Next time I will be doing completing the square of more difficult questions, yeah, grade 9 questions, yeah.